Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5, the headphones that truly redefine quiet and deliver an amazing audio experience. These aren't just good, they offer industry-leading noise cancellation, silencing your commute or busy office like magic. Imagine pure focus, undisturbed calls, or just your music, even in the most chaotic environments. But it's not just about silence. You get an incredible 30-hour battery life on a single charge. That's enough power for days of listening, perfect for travel or marathon work sessions without constant recharging. And for ultimate convenience, the multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between two devices. Answer a call on your phone, then jump right back to your laptop's playlist. No repairing needed. It's a game changer for multitaskers. What truly sets the XM5S apart is this blend of unparalleled performance, comfort, and intelligent features. If you're ready to elevate your audio experience, check the Amazon link in the description. For anyone searching for the best noise-canceling headphones or considering an upgrade in 2025, these are an absolute must-buy. Seriously, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are an investment in pure sound and peace. You won't regret it.